Precision, engineered down to every turn. Introducing the Dometic Optimus steering system. Our Dometic engineers have provided the key to unlock the optimal performance and control of your outboard-powered vessel with the Optimus steering system. Customizable for a wide range of applications, from single-engine steering to multi-engine boats, Optimus is an electric steering solution with optional joystick control. Dometic have revolutionized outboard steering with an all-electric steering system, completely eliminating the need for hydraulic fluid, all whilst providing robust and reliable steering with built-in redundancies. The electric steering actuator utilizes incredibly precise inverted roller screw technology driven by a brushless DC motor, engineered and manufactured in-house in our Vancouver manufacturing facility. For quick installations, the Optimus Link user interface provides a simple installation of the system. Simply connect and power the system, then turn the helm to each hard lock. The steering is then ready. No more bleeding hydraulic fluid. With direct integration to third-party autopilot systems and electronics, vessel configuration is simple. Optimus has been designed to seamlessly integrate with all leading electronics brands and engine manufacturers to provide the optimal steering experience. Built-in position sensing dramatically improves autopilot performance, getting you to the spot hassle-free. Looking to level up maneuverability? Step up to Optimus 360, adding joystick control of multi-engine vessel with compatibility to most modern outboards. With the addition of C-Station satellite compass, unlock features like position hold and precise autopilot to take the load off whilst on the water. Utilizing redundant CAN-based networks, helm commands are rapidly executed through the innovative electric actuator. These redundant networks provide peace of mind for a critical operation such as steering. Throughout the system, there are several fail-safes to ensure consistent operation, whether it be dual position sensing, low voltage operation, or built-in power management. We know steering is critical. The electric actuator also features a manual override, ensuring there is always a way home. In multi-engine applications, increase top speed or reduce fuel burn through speed-adaptable tow-in, tow-out. Optimize turning through the implementation of Ackerman, where the Optimus system will control each rudder independently to maintain vessel speed through turns, reduce rollout, and improve low-speed handling. Optimus is designed specifically for the harsh marine environments with IPX7 rated components. When conditions push you to the limit, the Optimus system holds firm, stable, responsive, confident. Whether you're powering through chop or docking in tight quarters, this is engineering you feel.